In the last tutorial, we went over how to format your pages. I showed you briefly how to add formatting to your page, how to break up the content and make it more readable for your customers. In this tutorial, I'd like to look at the post editor. Functionally, this is very much the same as the page editor, but posts are handled in a slightly different manner inside WordPress. Initially, WordPress was designed as a blogging platform. In its default state, WordPress provides a running blog roll on the home page. The blog roll displays your most recent post at the top of the list. These are done in what is called reverse chronological order. This means your most recent post is always added to the top. The blog roll can display full posts or an excerpt of the post, essentially an abbreviated version of the post. There's a checkbox in the settings that controls how this is displayed. If you would like your website to appear more like a standard website, you can create a static page for the home page. You can then make this page an introduction to your site without worrying that it will change over time. The static page is defined in the Settings Reading menu item. I will go over this when I discuss the Settings menu. To get into the Post menu, I hover over Posts, and with the pop-up window I can click on All Posts, or I can click on Posts in the menu. This brings up a listing of posts that I currently have in my site. With this demonstration site, the only post I have is called Hello World. I'm going to start by deleting this post. To do this, I hover over the title and click Trash in the pop-up menu. Now I need to enter a new post. I can click Add New next to Posts at the top of the page. I can click Add New in the left side menu, or I can go to the top menu bar, hover over Plus New, and click Post. I'll add titles for a few posts so you can see how they display. When you have a few posts, segmenting them into their own categories is a good way to keep your site organized. You'll notice directly under the Add New button for the posts, there is a category link. Clicking on this link opens the Categories page where you will enter additional categories into your listing. You will see Uncategorized as the initial category. This is the default. Enter a new category name into the name field and hit Enter or click on the blue Add New Category button at the bottom of the page. The slug will be entered automatically, so there's no need to enter a slug. You can categorize your posts in the editor or the quick editor. Additionally, you can add new categories in the editor as well. In the editor, in the right-hand column, you'll see a categories section that will list all of the categories that you created. You can check and uncheck the boxes here to select a category or categories that you wish to include for the post. Make sure to update when you're complete. You can also add a new category with the New Categories link. You can have multiple categories for one post. You can also select categories in the Quick Edit. From the post, hover over the title and click Quick Edit. In the center of the page, you'll see the categories. You can check or uncheck the ones you wish and update in the lower right-hand corner when you're complete. Tags are similar to categories and are another way to organize your posts. In the Quick Editor, you will enter your tags in the box separated by commas. Depending on the theme settings, tags may also be displayed at the end of your post or at the top of the post. Adding tags can help getting you ranked for certain terms. Here you can see this theme displays the tags at the top. In the next tutorial, I'll discuss the Settings menu. The settings need to be correctly set up to provide the functionality you'd like to have on your site.